Arden, can you give the baby a kiss? Give the baby a kiss. Oh, mwah, give baby a kiss. Oh, she gave the baby a kiss. Can you give that baby a kiss? Give that baby a kiss. Here, Arden, look. Arden, can you give the baby a kiss? Give the baby a kiss. Wait, watch. Arden, give the baby a kiss.
Baby kiss.
Arden, come here. Arden. Oh, she gave baby a kiss. Here, Luffy, give baby a kiss. Oh, you gave the baby a kiss. Give baby a kiss. Give baby a kiss.
Give me this.
Oh, she gives baby kisses. That's so sweet.
Bye-bye.
Whoa. What on earth? On earth are you doing? You gonna fall down on that, you silly lady? Oh, no, you can't have that. Put that away.
Okay.
Karis, better be careful up there. Arden, give baby a kiss. You are so cute.
Hi.
Good job, Artie Montaigne.
Let's try to do like these three. Let's try to do like those.
Which one of these
Arden.
you want me to do?
You give baby a kiss.
I'll do this.
Don't.